Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't mind subscribe. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Let's talk about rain. We got some rain. Actually our creek has got a little water in it now. Something we desperately needed. Of course it's made a muddy nightmare, but we can deal with that. Made it a little difficult for me in the chicken coop, but that's okay. They're enjoying it too. We had a good steady rain. Of course, we had some heavy rain there. We had 2 days worth of rain so far. I don't know if it's going to rain today or not. By appearance, maybe not, but that could change. But it's a good thing. As dry as it's been, it's an event that was well overdue. Now that we took care of the weather, what's going on? As Paul Harvey would say, here's the rest of the story. Well, yesterday, we attended an event. A subscriber from the U.S. invited Grace and I to their child's christening, and which was over near Cameron. And so Grace and I, excuse me, we went, and a fantastic family. And of course, that's, best of my knowledge, other than another YouTuber that everybody knows is Marky Shoemate, which passed away, is my first real subscriber that I met. And it was a very entertaining event. We got to know each other a little bit. We talked. And the main event of it is going to his wife's family's house. We had to ride another vehicle because our little van wouldn't accommodate the road going there. I don't have the ground clearance. If I had the ground clearance, it wouldn't be an issue. But anyway, what they call a multi-cab, which is a little mini truck. I rode in the cab. And the back of it was fully loaded. Grace and my friends, I call him my friend now, family was all loaded up in the back, and they was all talking and enjoying each other. Now this road, it is rough. Oh, rough. Anyway, we finally made it to the top of the mountain. Still not at the house. The journey to the house is another story in itself. Well, this old guy, in the past couple of years or so, I've been having more issues with my back, which is a normal thing going on due to a pre-existing problem. Anyway, I started the hike up this narrow path and rough terrain and a pretty decent incline. And I made it probably a little over half a kilometer, maybe. Probably closer to a kilometer. And at that point in time, decided to try to what they call a hubble, ride it back on a motorcycle the rest of the journey. Well, the first bike, I couldn't board it, but finally they leaned it over where I could get my leg over it. It was pretty tall. And the way the footboards were designed, it had folded my legs up just beyond the, it's almost like doing an Asian squat. And I got a cramp in my left leg. Oh, man. Anyway, I struggled to get back off that bike. I worked that cramp out, and they brought another one. A little bit, it was lower, and the way the foot pegs on it, it would accommodate me. And anyway, I climbed the board in. And here we go. Now remember, it's been raining and it's slip and slide everywhere. I got to say, the driver, he good. I mean, he good. I mean, you know, I rode bikes all my life, and I'll just be honest with you, I would struggle to handle a bike going that way. Very much struggle. You know, I'm not going to lie about it. And with all the slipping and sliding and the roughness of the road and everything, I failed to do a video of it because I needed both hands to hang on. And we finally made it to the top of the mountain where his wife's parents had built a nice house. And they are large landowners, and they have farming. And as far as Filipinos are concerned, they do okay, especially for a large family. There's 11 siblings in that family. Now I'm going to ask permission if he wants to do an interview with me. I respect your privacy too. That's another reason I didn't do any video, because I hadn't asked, and I didn't want to infringe on anybody's privacy. But we made it there, and we had a very good time enjoying each other's company, and things were just fantastic. The food was good. Some of the best leeching I've ate, and so forth. And guess who's awake right now? Come over here and introduce yourself, young lady.
Okay, this morning.
I'm very okay. And here we go.
Hi, guys.
Look at this. This is what I get to wake up to. This nice, beautiful smile. And
I just woke up.
And as you can see, yesterday I got a little sun too.
Yeah, look at the face. Have sunburn.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a wonderful adventure yesterday.
Yeah.
It's nice.
You know, after the food and drinks and so forth we had there and good conversations, it was time to leave the party and take that adventure back off the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
That's how my face got sunburned. Because I actually walked all the way back. I didn't want to gamble on riding the motorcycle downhill.
Yeah, because it's not really safe, baby, right?
No.
Yes.
And I didn't want to scare Grace to death again. She was so worried about me being on the back of that motorcycle.
Remember, you not see, I'm running with my hair. Can you believe that? I'm so fast walking, but because I need to see you all the way there. You just don't know what I feel, but when I know that you're okay, oh my God, it's
But we're
But
going.
it's a best experience, right? And it's
Yeah, it was a
to
good day.
meet all the wonderful people, wonderful friends.
Yeah, these people,
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you, they are very sociable, and
Yeah.
it was very entertaining.
Yeah.
And like I said, I'll ask permission today, and maybe I can introduce you to them.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah, they are very nice people.
today
Sir
we
Mike and his wife and the kids. Yeah, they are. We have beautiful kids, 2 kids.
yeah, and today we're going to do another adventure with them.
Yeah.
We're going to take them to. Well, they're going to follow us. They got their own
Lalimar.
adventure. Yeah, we're going to go to Lalimar, a place that I've shown y'all before. And I'm going to
It's
take.
been, when is the last time we've been there?
When we come back from Dalmageddon,
February.
yeah, February, when we went and met another friend of mine, and we celebrated our anniversary late. So it was February when we was last time we were there. We stopped on there to have lunch on the way back. So
So it's a nice resort, and they have swimming pool and beach, and they have also a restaurant.
yeah,
So yeah, hopefully that we have a wonderful time together with our friends and family, and we're looking forward. And Virgil is so excited about it.
I'm gonna gamble on trying to eat their pizza again today. Because they used to have a wonderful pizza that I really liked. And the last few times we've tried it, they changed the recipe for their sauce to banana ketchup.
And hopefully this time we have good luck for that.
Yeah, hopefully. There's going to be enough people there, I won't regret it if I
Yeah,
can't
if
eat.
you can't eat that, you can eat.
You know, I let everybody else eat it.
Filipino loves banana ketchup.
Yeah. But to me, it's ungodly. It's a sin.
Yeah, because you're not used to eat banana ketchup. That's why.
Yeah.
But most of the Filipino, they love the sweet ketchup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's our plans for the day.
Yeah. And we're excited, and the kids also are excited. Hopefully we have a wonderful time, right, together with our friends and
Yeah.
family. And also I'm gonna try to do video today, because yesterday I was going to do some video, but I was worried about my husband. I can't even focus myself.
I apologize for
Yeah.
getting you upset.
I'm not upset, really. I'm not upset. I'm just worried. I just, I don't want something happen to you. You can't afford to lose you, baby. You know that. And also, but we really have an enjoyable time, even though I've been worried about you, but we're home safe, and we meet the wonderful people and friends. So we are so blessed, right? Because
And the good part about it too, a side note, I've got to probably end up with some new customers for GMV Enterprise.
you meet one of the, I don't know, I think one of their family there, right?
Yeah.
That guy.
They're highly interested in
Yeah.
what we got here, especially my Rhode Island Reds. Yeah, I thought it'd be a few months before anything be ready, but I'm sure when he sees those black Astrolot roosters, he'll like those too. Well, folks, I really appreciate everybody, and hopefully things go well today, and I can do another video and introduce you to a new friend. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share.
Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yeah, and in the name.
Grace and Pete Vlog.
Yeah.
So thank you so much again, guys. God bless all of you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We got a little treat for you tonight. If you don't mind, subscribe.
Kunyara.
And I apologize for the camera constantly trying to focus, but it's low level lighting.
So we're gonna check.
Wait, I've got to turn the light on. I forgot to do that. I can't see it. There we go.
So
Sorry about that, guys.
So we're gonna check this first.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Where's my phone, Virgin?
Here. Can I do the
Yeah,
next?
yeah, just turn the air gut like this right here to the big spot. See the air pocket? Yeah, this is a good one. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, there's a air pocket. Where's my phone? Video.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
I'm already doing the video now.
Next one.
And this is actually 12 days.
Deleting.
Next one.
You just had that one.
No, the other one.
Okay, turn it sideways so you can see the pocket. Try to get to the pocket. And this one here, I don't see an air pocket, but I see it's developing.
Yeah. You can see, yeah, there's an air pack. Is it good?
Yeah, I see the air pocket
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
The next one. This is, we put this one in the
12.
May 12.
All those should be the 12.
Oh, looks like it's empty.
That there's not fertile.
Yeah, not fertile. So you can see,
Yeah.
not fertile.
So you can take it out.
Look, take up, Jim.
Yeah, just lay it on top there. Don't shake it. Mess
This
it
one
up.
is good, Daddy. Look at
Yeah.
that. You can see it's
Yeah.
the movement. You
Yeah.
can see the movement of this one.
Yeah, I see it there. You see
Yeah.
its beak.
Yeah. Look at Virgin.
Yeah.
You can see the movement. Hmm? You can see that.
What we gonna do with this?
Just lay it on top there for now.
And this one. The pocket.
The air pocket should be on the big end.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's working. I can see it. You're blinding me right now. So I can see it on this side here.
Yeah.
I will look this one again.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Look,
see.
look.
Yeah, look at Virgin.
It's moving.
Yeah. Okay.
It's moving.
I will try this one now.
There's nothing there. It's not fertile, see?
There's nothing.
Yeah. Put it on, lay down over for now.
Put it here.
This one.
No.
No.
Look
Not
at that.
fertile.
There.
Yeah, it's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Looks like it's not fertile.
That's good.
I will do the, what's the, I will do, I can do the
What's
next
the date
one.
on that one?
13.
Okay. So it's 11 days.
Looks like it's nothing done in.
I see it moving.
Huh? Scare me.
See?
You see it moving. You see its heartbeat right there.
Can I do the next one? I want to do the next
You
one.
need to be careful because you will.
Where's the next one?
Over here. Be careful now, don't drop it because Daddy will.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, that developed good. Look at that.
Careful.
Yeah, look at that. Let it move, move.
Yeah, look.
See it moving?
Yeah. I'm gonna do some video of mine. Where's my phone? There.
I'm gonna put it here.
You need to make sure where you put it. This one is already done.
This one, it's here, right? What's
Yeah, just slide it next to the one that's finished. Just, then you get the next one.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Take your time.
You can be careful.
There's an air
Yeah,
pocket.
that's good. I seen it. Now watch this. Look, look. See?
You see the movement.
Yeah.
Let me get it now.
Yeah, those are just 11 days.
Be careful, Virgil.
10 more days with that one.
Careful.
Turn it. Take your time. Take your time. Turn
Your
it.
time
Turn.
is sensitive.
Now swing it up a little bit so you get the see if there's an air pocket. There's the air pocket. Okay. Get the next one.
Daddy's sweating so much.
Let mommy do it because mommy needs to hurry, Virgil, because it's open
I
now.
will do
Yeah.
it. I'm hurry.
No, there's blood.
What's that?
It's alive. See it?
There's an air pocket there.
It's alive. See that?
Yeah, like there's a blood inside.
Yeah.
Take back, Virgil.
Next one is here. It's not heavy. Oh. Look at here.
It's another good one.
There's the air pocket.
Yeah. Just turn it a little bit. See if we can see any movement.
I see a small movement there. Oh, it's moving.
Yeah.
It's moving. Is it moving? Yeah. It's hard to do video because you can see it inside.
Mm-hmm. Okay, put it back and get another one.
Careful. Next one.
Get.
Careful. Yung drop it ha. It's sensitive. Sensitive. Wala oy, kuan na ran egg candolin. I-check ra ba kung nabay sulod. There's an air pocket. Naa sa sulod pero wala ka na. Look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Try to get while we sealing something.
It's nice.
Turn it sideways.
You can see inside that there's chicks. It's moving.
Okay, put that one in, Bertha. Put it back.
Careful.
Oh.
Look at that.
Wait,
It's a big development
Yeah.
inside.
Where's the air pocket? Where's the air pocket?
Here. Let me see.
You can get a towel.
This one is so bad.
Yeah, there's the air pocket there. Look. Next one nangga. Next one. Oh, look at that langga. Look
Oh,
at
yeah,
Virgil.
yeah.
Look.
It's moving here. See?
Yeah, yeah, you can see the heartbeat. You can see the heartbeat on this one. Here,
It's probably,
move your hands. Move your hands. You
There.
can see the heartbeat on it.
what's the date on it?
What's the date, Virgil?
Date. It's 5/17/24.
17, Dali. This is the last?
17.
Yeah,
What'd you do? Go all the way over here?
yeah.
That's why.
So, but there's a heartbeat.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah,
Look backward.
it's fine. That's the ones you'll see the heartbeat on.
It's here.
It shouldn't have been there.
It's here.
Yeah.
The one is there. This one next.
So, let me get it up there straight. Okay.
Ooh. Date of this is 13.
That's 8 days away.
It's the air bucket.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's enough for the video. We'll finish up here, and I really appreciate everybody watching. Don't mind, stay tuned and see what happens.